What is exactly Quiz Target? Quiz Target is an interactive quiz builder that can help you in creating attention. Grabbing quiz is just one click. You can create a different kind of quiz in different kind of industry using Quiz Target tool. Quiz Target software concept is entirely new to marketing and no one know about it. So don't be late. Take advantage of this software before anyone else take your chance. In this Quiz Target app, you will also get tons of pre-made templates and quiz, so you don't need to creating anything much. It's have some types of quiz: funnel quiz, sales quiz, leads generation quiz, feedback quiz, marketing research quiz, pre-launching quiz. Well, no, come down at the next section. As per research, 63% of the marketers and big business say that generating leads is their biggest challenge, whereas 79% of leads never converting to sell due to wrong product pitching. Some quick review about quick targeting. Drag and drop features. Drag and drop quiz builder. The quiz builder which is providing by the quiz targeting is fully equipped with the drag and drop feature. So creating awesome quiz, you don't need any kinds of technical skill like coding, programming and etc. Whereas quiz type allow you create any types of quiz as per your choice requirement. You can create any types of quiz as per your choice or as per your chosen of your visitors, like mind quiz, true quiz, false quiz, open and end quiz, multiple quiz, yes or no quiz, and many things. Multiple quiz format: the format of the quiz that you will creating quiz targeting about many formats. Example like text quiz, number quiz, audience quiz, video quiz, audio quiz, image quiz, music quiz, whatever you sub like. Custom quiz placement available. This quiz placement which are the providing by the quiz targeting are amazing. It's also you to show your quiz in anything at any time on a website. DFY quiz campaigning. With this help of quiz targeting, you can easily creating any kind of quiz campaigning on any kinds of local niche. Segment leads with logical branching. The quiz target offering quiz tiger, a personal experience which is the generally based on their answer. It's showing a special question on a special option from answer. Quiz funnel designing, mind mapping design. With the help of the quiz targeting, you can easily design predictive quiz funnel journey, also known as a mind mapping. effective customer support, and hug extra bonus. Why should you go for quiz targeting? Quiz targeting is every marketer who need more social media attention and sales and conversion and engagement. But still I listen out some of the professional who can't ignore this emerging. This first time is offer marketers, entrepreneurs, digital entrepreneurs, online business owner, blogger, affiliate marketer, content marketer, advertiser or agency owner, lead generation expert for agency, e-commerce marketer, video marketer. Above are some of the professionals who must go their quiz targeting software. Quiz target review, pro and cons. Some pros: creating integration quiz, DFY quiz campaigning is very various nice, no tech expense or skill requirement, generating engaged to buy leads in minute, easy to use, newbie friendly, step by step training, commercial license, refund policy available. And cons, I have absolutely nothing to complaining. Is this app is good for every affiliate marketer or new uh, online business owners, and you can use that. The link is below now. Please click and buy.